name's Madison. I'm a dental assistant in Saskatoon. So what I do here in the office is assist the dentist with all sorts of procedures, whether it be fillings, root canals, extractions. We do basic orthodontics here as well, so I help with that. Preparing the patients so when the dentist comes into the room, we're ready to go to give the best service. I like to come in about half an hour before each patient or before my first patient so that I have enough time to be prepared for them, to make sure everything's ready to go. I also take a look at not only our day ahead, but the entire week to make sure that we have everything we need here in office. Once I feel prepared, I start to set up the entire office. So we get our sterilization area ready, setting up for our first few patients as well, just so we're kind of staying on top of everything. So when I was younger, I actually did spend quite a bit of time in a dental office, which surprisingly piqued some interest for me. When I was in high school, I decided to shadow in a dental office for a day. And right away, I kind of just fell in love with it. I initially wanted to be a dental hygienist. It is a very competitive area to be accepted into. So a lot of people start by doing their dental assisting, using that as a stepping stone to then get into dental hygiene. I got accepted into SIEC, which is now Sask Polytech in Regina. It is a 10-month program in Regina. Right away, I fell in love with dental assisting. I knew that was for me. I didn't want to continue on to dental hygiene. So I know lots of post-secondary schools do have open houses, and they're a great idea or a great way to go out and see what programs are right for you. Certain qualities that a dental assistant should have are things like being a good multitasker, working well alone, but at the same time working well with a team. There's lots of different situations where you are working with others, but there's also a lot of opportunities that you are working on your own and just taking initiative and knowing when to do that.